guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tanvi and I create content related to fashion, beauty and makeup. So if you want to get some tips on skincare, body care, hair care, and if you want to watch lots of hauls, then you are at the right place. You can subscribe to my channel. So in today's video I will be doing a get ready with me for my birthday. So I have never done like this. I guess I have done this once, like get ready with me for like how I get ready for my YouTube channel and all. So I thought that I am barefaced. I'm not wearing anything on my face right now because I thought I will like go through a proper transformation, like makeup, hair, dress, footwear and everything. So I love watching these kinds of videos, so I thought that I will create like one like this. And look at my nails, guys. I went little extra. So these are not my real nails, these are not extension, these are like fake press on nails. Let me know, let's see if I am able to carry it off, because like they are a lot extra. So let's see. I will begin my makeup. Of a change in the background, I am shooting in my living room, and I was thinking I will make this video like chit chat kind of video. We'll do the makeup and we'll talk with you guys. Like I have never done a chit chat kind of video, although I talk a lot in my video. Anyways, video बहुत लंबा intro बहुत लंबा हो गया, तो let's get started. Bring you guys a little bit closer, and I have done my extensive pamper routine. I created a video recently. If you guys have not checked it out, please go ahead and check it out. I guess I posted two weeks back, like full body care, full skin care, pampering myself, body shaving, scrubbing, face shaving, scrubbing, and everything is done. So I will just moisturize my face because I have like my skin, I think it's looking good because I have slapped on lots of serum once I was out of shower, because my skin is extremely dry. The skincare, I am using Clinique's moisturizer. Like you guys know, this is my favorite go-to moisturizer. Massage my skin like for 2 minutes. I have applied little bit of kajal and little bit of lip gloss because I don't want to look pale. Like बहुत ज़्यादा डार्क सर्कल्स एम्फेसाइज हो जाते हैं मेरे अगर मैं काजल नहीं लगाती हूँ तो. एंड दिस इज़ नॉट माई ड्रेस, आई हैव जस्ट वोन अ ब्लैक टॉप. तो जैसे एंड मेरे दिमाग में लाइक आई एम थिंकिंग अबाउट अ लिटिल बिट रेड ब्लैक स्मोकी काइंड ऑफ आई. लेट्स सी इफ आई एम एबल टू डू इट, बिकॉज कभी कभी क्या होता है, आई स्टार्ट विथ समथिंग एंड आई एंड अप डूइंग समथिंग एल्स ओनली. ऑलवेज फॉरगेट टू अप्लाई प्राइमर. तो मैंने क्या किया ना, आई लाइक टुक आउट द प्राइमर एंड आई केप्ट इट एट द फ्रंट. सो चाहे कुछ भी हो तो आई विल नॉट फॉरगेट टू अप्लाई प्राइमर. तो मैं sorry, I am forgetting to show you the products like I am using. This is Lakme Absolute primer. So this I recently purchased and I am using it for 1 or 2 times, but in 1 or 2 times also I am liking it. It's like mattifies and fills the pores. Like I have pores over here, so I am filling those. Guys, I will do my eye makeup first because I am going for a little bold look. So if there is some fallout or anything, I can clean up my face. And for like my eye, I am using Huda Beauty. I recently bought it. Like I posted a haul as well, Nykaa haul, जिसके अंदर मैंने ये, I never owned a Huda Beauty because बहुत एक्सपेंसिव है. इट्स लाइक अराउंड 5500 फॉर वन आई शेडो पैलेट. एंड आई वॉज वेटिंग फॉर अ गुड डील. आई विल स्टार्ट. आई वॉज वेटिंग फॉर अ गुड डील के मतलब मुझे कुछ अच्छा डील मिले तो आई विल परचेज इट, बिकॉज like it's too expensive. Like let's be realistic. I will like use concealer on my eyes first because I want to conceal so that the eyeshadows like they sit very beautifully on my face and like eyes and they will not slip off. I am getting a feeling guys ये वीडियो ना थोड़ा लंबा होने वाला है. I'm sorry for that. Well, actually I'm not sorry because I want to talk with you guys and मैंने कभी इतना चिट चैट वीडियो करा नहीं है. तो like I wanted to talk with you guys little bit and I thought like get ready with me for my birthday से better chit chat video idea तो हो ही नहीं सकता है ना. तो I thought yes I will start. Shade range guys, like it has everything and the colors are so pigmented, so beautiful. Black भी है, shimmers भी हैं, mattes भी हैं, pink है, red है, neutral colors है like. एंड आई फॉरगॉट टू टेल यू गाइज दैट आईब्रोज मैंने थोड़ा सा फिल किया है बट आई डिड इट ऑफ कैमरा बिकॉज आई थिंक इट्स वेरी बोरिंग टू वॉच एंड आई डेंट डू एनीथिंग मच, जस्ट फिल्ड हिम लाइक लिटिल बिट. आई लाइक वांटेड टू कीप इट नेचुरल ओनली बिकॉज मैं आईज में थोड़ा आई विल बी डूइंग लिटिल बिट हैवी. आई एम थिंकिंग बट लेट्स सी कितना हो पाता है. एंड देन yes again guys, like the product links and everything will be in the description box, so don't forget to check it out. With this color sandalwood and put it in my crease. Chit chat karna hai and I'm telling you guys about like the products I'm using. So हाँ ये पैलेट मुझे you guys can you guess मुझे 3500 में मिला and like पिंक सेल चल रही थी and I grabbed it because आई न्यू दैट लाइक मुझे ऐसा मौका दोबारा नहीं मिलने वाला है कि आई विल गेट लाइक सच अ ब्यूटिफुल डील ऑन दिस लाइक पैलेट. तो आई बॉट इट. एंड टॉकिंग अबाउट द नील्स, ये लाइक मेरी मॉम ने लिया था मेरे लिए लाइक व्हेन आई वेंट टू दिल्ली. नवंबर के अंदर मैं गई थी दिल्ली. तो येस शी बॉट दिस वन फॉर मी एंड at that time I was not into fake nails, like I was like thinking के क्या है क्यों कुछ फ़र्क नहीं पड़ेगा. तो like I was like okay. तो she told me like you keep it with you and let's see के अगर कभी काम आ जाते हैं तो ठीक है, otherwise you like keep it with you. वो उस समय like I am talking about November, उस समय मैंने YouTube वगैरह का I thought I will start, but to be honest, I was so scared, guys, ke like to put myself out there and like you know shooting and putting a video up and like I was scared like people will judge me and all that like. So I wanted to make the video and post it on like YouTube and all for such a long time. From November I was thinking that I will like you know like so for November I was like thinking के ठीक है I will post a YouTube video but I never got the courage. तो finally I think मैंने जो first YouTube video डाला था ना that was I guess somewhere around March, I'm not sure. उसके बाद like I got such a beautiful response from you guys that I was like shook. Like people were watching my videos, they were loving it and like people were coming to me from different places and telling me like they love my video and I was like कि हाँ people are watching it. Let's dive into black. I have never done a black smoky eye on my own, so I'm doing it for the first time. Let's see. अगर अच्छा नहीं हुआ तो I will wipe it off completely. I am taking black. And you know my inspiration, Malvika Sitlani. Like if you guys have ever watched, so she is my inspiration truly. Like she doesn't know that I exist or like I don't know like she has influence and you know like looking at her I was like so inspired by her. She is such a beautiful and wonderful person. Like go check out her channel, just giving a you know free shout out to her. Like she is like amazing. And you know when I shot my first video it was somewhere around November. मैंने शूट कर लिया था and it was sitting in my phone for such a long time एंड फाइनली आई गॉट करेज इन लाइक अराउंड मार्च कि ठीक है फाइनली डाल देते हैं, देखा जाएगा जो होगा. Pat a cake bakers. So those of you don't know that my son is 1 year and 3 months now. Like on Instagram I get so many comments like, oh, you are married, you have a kid, and you guys make my day. You don't know that. Like, yes, for those of who you don't know, like I have a son. He is 1 year 3 months old and हमारे घर में पूरे दिन राइम चलता है. लाइक whenever we are like turning on computer or TV, it's rhyme time for him. Although like we are keeping rhyme times like very less, but still like गानों के बजाय अभी rhymes चलते हैं. I think new mommies and all, like they will be able to relate. I think I can pull it off and like it's looking pretty decent. अभी तक तो ठीक ही लग रहा है. लाइक मेरी आंखें भूतनी जैसी तो नहीं लग रही हैं. आई होप आई एम नॉट बायस्ड गाइस. सो या इतना टाइम लग गया मुझे. एंड यू गाइज वोंट बिलीव, मैंने जो पहला यूट्यूब वीडियो शूट किया था ना, तो लाइक इट टुक मी 6 hours टू शूट वन वीडियो. लाइक 6 hours टू जस्ट शूट एंड डू द सेटअप करने में मुझे अलग ही 1 घंटा लगा कि कैसे करूँ, कहाँ रखूँ, कैसे रखूँ. लाइक how I did like shot my first video, I put a stool on it, I like stacked like books, like stacked books, and uske aage I kept my phone, and then that's how I shot my very first YouTube video. And it was like crazy. Done with the like eyeshadows. I don't think so I will add any more colors to it because अभी तो ठीक लग रहा है. Otherwise it will like end up looking very messy. And for my eyeliner I am using Lakme. Like they create absolutely amazing eyeliners, really very affordable, very fine. Like look at the wand. You are going for a smoky look, don't put like patch or something, or don't clean out the edges, because we want the smoky look over here, like little bit messed up and all. So if you will put or clean up the eyeshadow, it will give a very fine and like fine line. This is my personal thinking. Again, like I am able to carry these off, and I am loving my nails right now. Cleaning up the fallout, although it's not that much. Apply the concealer. As I said guys, if you are going for a heavy look, then try to put the do the eye look first. Blend. Like some people ask me like their base is looking very chalky and very dry, patchy and all. So like guys, you are not blending your products seamlessly in your skin because it's very important. Using Faces Canada ये बहुत runny हो गया है, so I will use little bit only because I am liking my skin and I don't think so I need that much foundation. ये छोटू सा बाल देखो. Set my face using Fit Me. Like I will dunk and like do little baking and all. So yes guys, like it has been like around from March I have started YouTube, and like around January, late December or something, I started like Instagram. And you guys have told me like my quality has increased, like it has improved, so I like that as well, like a lot. And like if you have not done or started anything, you won't know that how much you are like missing it or you are liking it. So this is the same case with me for the YouTube. Till the time I didn't started, I didn't knew that I love this so much. Like 2 दिन भी होते हैं मुझे, and like I think that oh, I miss shooting, I miss putting on makeup, getting ready. Like I used to like all these things a lot, you know. स्टार्टिंग से ही मुझे इन सब चीज़ों का बहुत शौक रहा. मेरा आई लाइनर जो सॉरी काजल जो है नीचे का लोअर लैश तो स्मच नहीं हो पाया है, तो आई विल like apply little bit kajal. I am using Rimmel's palette, like it has contour, highlight and blush. I absolutely love this palette, like the contour and blush shade is so beautiful guys. खुल क्यों नहीं रहा है. This palette is 002 Coral Glow. So like I highly recommend this like you know palette, because एक छोटू से palette में like you cover so many things. थोड़ा सा dusty है, like it's little bit dusty, but again like amazing shade range, amazing price, like affordable palette with the blush with like same palette. And guys I genuinely feel that मेरा जो like makeup का वो है like skill that has improved a lot since I started channel, and like I am learning a lot. Like I have learned makeup watching Malvika Setlani only. I seriously like want you guys to check out her channel. Like she is such a wonderful person. I just connect with her. I have never met her in person, like all the things I'm saying just based on watching her videos, but somehow I connect with her. Like whenever I'm feeling low or something, like if I am extremely happy or if I want to watch something, like I just binge watch her channel. Like I go to YouTube and I start watching her videos. Like if any day I'm in a very messy or bad mood, then like that puts me in, like that puts a smile on my face anytime. Makeup is done guys, like highlighter. And guys I shopped a lot on my birthday, like a lot, and I am planning to make a haul for you guys as well. Like I went crazy, I don't know why. I'm not usually like this. Like I bought footwear, dresses, like घर के कपड़े, like सोने के कपड़े, makeup, skin care, like what not, like random stuff. I went on Amazon and I purchased random stuff. Like इतना shopping किया है ना मैं. I love this highlighter guys, and I like applying highlighter like anything. Like it gives such a glow to your face, like making you feel like you know refreshed, and you're giving your skin a very you know highlighted beautiful effect. And I am looking for some good you know illuminating cream that gives a shine. I heard Sugar's one is good. Some drugstore also I wanted to. Going for a black dress, so I'm thinking about bright red color, lip color. So like I matted the lipstick a bit, and I am going for a black dress with black heels. And the heels I bought like this, those are this long. Like let me show you quick. Let me show you the heels quickly. Like these are the heels that I bought. Look, like I know for some people it's not that high, but it is for me. Like I was not able to like when I bought it, I had to practice and work in it for some time so that I can get a like hang of it, because right now I'm so into flats that guys I am not able to wear heels. And you won't believe, when like I remember it was my cousin's marriage, and like my heel was 5-inch long, and I was running in it. Like I was literally running in it, and now I cannot, you know, this big heel. Like again I have a platform over here, and again after that also it was so difficult for me to walk in it. Like I was thinking, yeah, I need to practice and work on it. But like these heels are so pretty, so beautiful. Guys, I'm back. My hair is done. I have like put on earrings. Like I have added extensions. Let me like stand and show you. Like these are such beautiful extensions. I will add the link of every product in the description box, so don't forget to check it out. And like let me show you quickly the full outfit, how it is looking.